Unity is powerful. When our Christian community comes together, the love and compassion of Jesus Christ shines into the lives of those facing dark times. And as we ignite hope for justice, peace, healing, and reconciliation, people change, families change, neighborhoods change. The Lancaster County Council of Churches is a faith-based collaboration of congregations, businesses, and community partners working together to positively transform lives. It is a hub for services aiming to help low-income individuals rise above their limitations.
We build the kind of community that we want to have. People in the churches, people in the community care about their neighbors. And we together can make people's lives better.
In our 65-year history, the Lancaster County Council of Churches has touched millions with our services. Our focus is on equipping individuals to become self-sufficient and, in doing so, breaking cycles of poverty and abuse. Before a community, family, or individual can change for the better, basic needs must be met. The Council's Emergency Food Bank helps remedy food insecurities for low-income families, seniors, and homebound individuals with limited fixed incomes. More than 20,000 individuals are served annually in Lancaster County. Community Meals combines the efforts of more than 40 congregations to provide free hot meals 3 times a day, 365 days a year to anyone in need. Volunteers like Joyce Sager realize it's about more than just the food.
I see it as ministry to people who are needy. Many times they're not food needy, but rather in need of just being cared about, being spoken to, having a warm place. I think there's always room for one more volunteer. Most people think that the big part of this is cooking, but really the big challenge is to be able to move freely among the people who are eating, to develop some relationships, and perhaps go beyond the eating to take care of some of their other needs.
The Lancaster County Council of Churches' newest mission entails a warehouse distribution center that will prevent nutritious foods, particularly fresh produce, from going to waste.
We'd be able to receive donated items, we'd be able to partner with Central PA Food Bank and bring in by the truckload both donated items, fresh produce, all sorts of resources that we can distribute out to the local food pantries, the ministeriums, local congregations, places where people can go and receive the assistance from their neighbors who care about them.
Lancaster General Health and the Lancaster County Council of Churches have a long history of partnering together to improve the health and well-being of the communities we serve. We're most excited about our most recent collaborative, where we're working with the Hunger Coalition to come up with creative solutions on providing healthy food, nutritious food for some of the most vulnerable members of our community.
In addition to food, the Council ensures winter shelter for women and children through a cooperative ministry with several faith-based and community organizations.
We often talk about what Christ calls us to do and to be, to feed the hungry, to visit the imprisoned, to clothe the naked, and this is an opportunity to be Christ's hands in a meaningful way.
Meeting every essential need, the Council of Churches also distributes more than $500,000 worth of clean, quality clothing to individuals every year.
We are glad that we can help people when they're hungry, when they have challenges, that we really can make a difference. At the same time, we don't want people to have to come back month in and month out. We're glad we can be there when they need us, but would like it if they don't need us the following month. So we've worked on employment empowering programs, ways to help people become self-sufficient. We know they want to, and sometimes there are barriers that just a little bit of help will make the difference.
2 specific employment empowering programs offered through the Council include the groundbreaking Wheels to Work program and PA Workwear. Wheels to Work transforms lives by selling reliable used vehicles at a fraction of their actual value to pre-qualified low-wage families, while providing maximum tax deductions to the car's donors. PA Workwear goes above the basic clothing needs by appropriately outfitting individuals with professional attire for job interviews and specific apparel for employment. The results have been stunning. Mary Beth is a hard-working mother of two who's been through a lot in her life. Once a married, successful business owner, she lost everything through a difficult divorce and found herself living on public assistance in a one-bedroom apartment. But she didn't quit. Despite not having a vehicle, Mary Beth applied and was hired at CareerLink as a data entry clerk. However, her challenges remain.
I had gotten written up a couple times because I was late, because from where I live here in Marietta to Lancaster, there's one bus in the morning and one bus in the evening. My supervisor said, Mary Beth, you're coming in late every day. You gotta do something, if not, you're gonna lose your job.
Wheels to Work stepped in with a reliable vehicle at an affordable price, enabling Mary Beth to overcome her barriers and thrive in life and at work.
This is living. I mean, I'm making it, my bills are paid, I'm not late on anything. I'm getting to work every day, it's all good. As soon as we got the car, I got my first real paycheck. Couldn't afford to stay for any amount of time, but packed up Alex and Timmy. We left on a Friday, we went down to the beach, we got there around midnight. I left Timmy feel the sand because he never had. It was pretty beautiful. And then we just drove home into my car. That's exciting to Timmy. It's exciting to me.
Shortly thereafter, Mary Beth's company was bought out and she was required to apply for a new position.
After interviewing me, because of my personality, and I do have a great personality, I love being around people, I love paying back, I got a job offer from them. My salary tripled.
Mary Beth now serves as a career counselor, helping individuals in situations just like hers.
Now I'm helping women and men that are on welfare to get employment. I've been through it. I know how it's embarrassing. People think that, you know, you're on welfare, you're lazy, and you don't want to work. That's the farthest from the truth. I love going to work every day because I see people stepping up and coming as far as I have, and it's exciting.
The Lancaster County Council of Churches helps people succeed at work and in life. Its resources are pulled together to offer services for a variety of needs that may otherwise prevent individuals from attaining self-sufficiency. We are dedicated to providing hope and changing lives.